Uptown Swing, September 2025. This was week 1 of solo jazz. We went over foundations and a little bit of repertoire with a focus on moves that start on 8. We of course talked about our posture. I call it our dance stance. Quick pro tip to get into it: jump, catch yourself, and you'll find yourself in this sort of jogging position, the shoulders over knees over toes. We talked about our groove, having a consistent bounce. And then the steps we did today, we did a couple and made a little sequence out of them. We did our fall off the log, our tachyani, and our boogie forwards and boogie backs. Hot tip, since all of our steps are starting on 8, keep an eye on the 7 because that's always where we're prepping for whatever our transition is going to be. The combo looked like 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ba-da, hoo, 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 ba, 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 ha, 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 ha. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, ba-da, 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 ba-da. And that's what we did. Thanks for coming.